Look at this bird. This bird is messing with that cat, and that cat is paying no attention to bro. And that bird, first he was there, now he's there. See, he's coming, come here. Like he's nodding his head here. He's saying to that cat, come here. Bo's gonna throw that wings at him. Is Bo negotiating? I don't know what this Bo is looking at. Oh, he's looking at the tanky, Lamam. Your bird is sitting there. Do you know the name of the bird? No? This cat, no? First this cat was here. And now this cat is here. Bro was kicked out of his home. Oh, he laid down. Oh, he's looking at me. Hey, bro, you wanna throw balls at me? Look at that bird. Oh, this bird is going. Where's that bird going? Is that bird going to throw wings at him? This. Why is bird looking at me? Hey, boy, don't throw balls at me, okay? This cat. Oh, this bird. I love this car. I love this car. And this bird. I love this bird. I want to just catch him. And I want to torture him. Oh, where is he? Oh, nah, boy, he flew away. Okay, you can look at that cat. Keep looking at. Till the end, okay? Oh, this bird is here now. There is that bird. He's still looking in that direction. Bo won't forget that moment. Bro, this cat is still looking at me. I didn't say anything to your mama, okay? Leave me alone, bro. Damn. I didn't say anything to him. Still looking. I will just keep recording, okay? For another 2 minutes, okay? But just watch this bird. This bird is special. Do you know? Nah, bro. I don't know what I said to him. But he just wants to throw balls. Oh no, he just laid. I think he was just closing his eyes. I think he's sleeping. There's no other cat. I remember the other cat. This bird is special. Just look at him. Oh, don't mind the screaming, okay? There are just children in my basement. Okay? Okay? Okay. You wanna know how long will that bird sit there? I don't know. 3 hours? No. Oh, where is the cat? The cat is still sitting there. Boom. What shall I? And now that bird is looking at me. I did not say anything to his mama. Okay? Shabbat.